Our goal is not enough.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Smart Makeovers. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fill up this beautiful brows. So what I start off is with a spoolie. That basically helps me to know the direction of how the brows grow. And then I use a brush with a little bit of powder just to remove every excess oil so my pencil doesn't slide through. And what I do is I draw from the outer corner right there. I start outlining the brows from the outer corner down to the inner corner of the brows, and then I draw on top as well, just basically outlining, nothing too harsh, very soft strokes. And I'm using the spike pencil made by MAC, I guess. Yes, and that's exactly what I'm using to, draw the brows. And right now I'm filling up the brows, but trust me, it's extremely light strokes because she has really beautiful full brows, so I don't really need to do so much. And I try to fill out and then outline it. Use the spoolie again to remove every excess so it looks as natural as possible. And then I go in with the, I think it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in the color, I think it's ebony brown. But I'll leave it in, because I can't remember, I'll leave it in the description box down below. This is basically to help the hairs that are standing, sleep. Nothing too, unnatural, because, you don't want it to look unnatural. And then I go in with the prolongwear concealer in NC45. I think it's by MAC. And that is basically what I'm using to define the brows. Can you see how nice that concealer is on the brows? It's so beautiful. I'm using a flat brush made by Morphe brushes, if I remember. I would leave the name and the number down below. This thing was so cheap. I think I got it in Ulta, so you can pretty much get it there. I really, really like that flat brush because it helps me to do a lot. Removing the excess again, and then I'm going back in with the concealer just to give it more definition right there, all the way from the middle section down, to make it look really nice and sweet. Just kidding. To make it really look nice and natural. And then I blend it down. So I'm using a blending brush by Real Techniques to blend it right to her skin, so it looks very nice and smooth, like so. And then I used her foundation shade. I don't like to use concealer on top because, if you take pictures, you don't want to flash back. I'm using the Fenty foundation in the color, I think it's 430. That's her foundation shade. And can you see it's not showing any color? Okay guys, I keep blending and blending to her skin tone. And now I'm taking the brow set, the clear brow set by MAC. This is basically to keep the brows in place so it pretty much stays like that all day and it doesn't shine. So thank you guys. We've come to the end of the video. I really appreciate you for watching. Kindly share, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a like or comment down below if you want to see more brows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share. Love you guys. Bye.